Hello, students, and welcome to your writing workshop lesson for today. Today is November 6, 2020. You are going to need your pencil, your draft, or a copy of your draft, your writing journal, some blank paper, and a partner. This partner could be a same age or older sibling, parent, guardian, or other grown-up that can help you with your assignment today. Make sure you pick someone responsible because we're doing peer revising, and it would be great if they could be responsible enough to help you with that and give you good feedback. If you don't have these materials, go ahead and collect them now. Okay. Now that you've collected your materials, let's go over our objectives for today. I will review the prompt, tap, and explain how to use a peer or partner to receive feedback. We will recognize the purpose for feedback when revising, and you will use feedback and the revising checklist to make revisions to your draft. Writers, your task is to compose a formal letter. The audience is a director of Westward Expansion Historical Society or a museum, and the purpose is to ask information. Today, your audience will be a parent, guardian, or other sibling at home who will read your formal letters and provide feedback. Remember, before you write, we always tap. Task, audience, purpose. Task, what is the topic or prompt or assignment? Well, today and for this past week, your assignment has been to compose a formal letter. Audience, who am I writing this for? You are writing this letter to a director of the Westward Expansion Historical Society or a museum. And purpose, why am I writing this? You're writing this letter to ask information. Look at this revising checklist. You can take some time now to copy this checklist into your writing journal or a blank sheet of paper. I've also created a link in Google Classroom for a blank checklist if you need one. Make sure you copy this down because you will use the checklist to receive feedback and after you receive feedback. Okay, now that you're back and you've made a copy, today I want to let you know that you'll review your formal letter and receive feedback. Your audience will be providing your feedback on your letter, and I want you to be sure to pay close attention to the ways you can add information, combine ideas, and rearrange or delete irrelevant ideas. You are going to read aloud to your formal letter to your partner at home. You will then pause, take a moment for them to think about your letter, and then you will read the letter again. Your partner will listen to the letter and jot down what they liked and what part of the letter they want to know more about. After listening and jotting down their thoughts, your partner, the listener, will read their feedback aloud to you. I want you to pay close attention to the feedback that your partner is giving you. After receiving the feedback, I want you to continue to revise your drafts. Make sure you're using transition words. Also, use the revising checklist and use the feedback from your partner to make some revisions to your draft. Whenever you're finished making the revisions using the transition words, your revising checklist, and your feedback from your partner, make sure to upload a copy of your draft to your teacher in Google Classroom. Thank you for joining me today and have a great day.